Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling to get traffic from Google, chances are you are targeting the wrong keywords. Many beginners write blog posts, create websites, and publish content regularly, but months later, they still don't get visitors. The reason is simple, they don't do keyword research properly. In this video, I will show you how to do keyword research in 2026 using completely free tools. No paid SEO software, no complicated methods, just a simple process that anyone can follow. Let's begin. The first thing you need to understand is this. Keyword research is not about finding keywords with huge search volume. It's about finding keywords that you can actually rank for. For example, if your website is new and you target SEO or digital marketing, you will compete against giant websites. You probably won't rank. Instead, target specific searches like SEO for local businesses in 2026 or free SEO tools for beginners. These are easier to rank for. Let's go for step one. Use Google Autocomplete. Go to Google, start typing your topic. Let's say your niche is SEO. Type SEO for or SEO tools or SEO tips or SEO checklist. Google automatically shows search suggestions. These suggestions come from real user searches. That means people are already searching for them. Write down all interesting keyword ideas. This is one of the easiest free keyword research methods. Now comes step 2. Use people also ask. After searching a keyword, scroll down, you will see people also ask section. These are actual questions users ask. For example, what is SEO? Is SEO free? Can I learn SEO myself? How long does SEO take? Each question can become a blog post or video. Google is literally telling you what people want to know. Now comes step 3. Use Google related searches. Now scroll to the bottom of Google, you'll find related searches. These are highly relevant keyword ideas. Suppose you searched for keyword research, you may see keyword research tools, keyword research free, keyword research for YouTube, keyword research for beginners. Write them down. These keywords are extremely useful. Now comes step 4. Use Google Trends. Next, open Google Trends. Google Trends helps you discover growing topics. You can compare multiple keywords. You can also see rising searches, trending topics, regional trends. If a keyword trend is increasing, it may become a great opportunity before competitors notice it. Now comes step 5. Use Keyword Surfer extension. Install Keyword Surfer. This free Chrome extension shows search volume, similar keywords, content ideas directly inside Google search results. This saves a lot of time. Now comes step 6. Check competition manually. Many beginners only look at search volume. That's a mistake. Instead, search the keyword in Google. Ask yourself, are giant website ranking? Are there forums ranking? Are there small blogs ranking? If you see Reddit, Quora, small niche website, then ranking may be easier. If every result from huge opportunity website, competition is probably high. Now comes step 7. Focus on long tail keywords. Long tail keywords are longer and more specific. Example, bad keyword, SEO, better keyword, SEO tips for small businesses, even better keyword, SEO tips for small business in 2026. Long tail keywords usually have less competition, convert better, rank faster. This is especially important for new websites. Now comes step 8. Build content clusters. Instead of writing random articles, create related content. Example, main topic, keyword research, supporting articles. What is keyword research? Free keyword research tools, keyword research for blogs, keyword research for YouTube, common keyword research mistakes. This helps Google understand your expertise. Finally, keyword research formula. Whenever you find a keyword, check, is something searching for it? Is competition manageable? Can I create better content? Does it match my niche? If the answer is yes, create content. That's it. No expensive SEO tools required. Conclusion. Keyword research in 2026 is not about finding the biggest keywords. It's about finding the right keywords. Use Google Autocomplete, use people also ask, use related searches, use Google Trends, focus on long tail keywords, and create some helpful content consistently. Do this for a month and you will have a better chance of getting organic traffic from Google. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who wants to learn SEO. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.